Chapter 4. Geometric Constructions. Revision. We already have studied the basic constructions using ruler and compass, like constructing perpendicular bisector of a line segment, drawing an angle bisector, construction of a congruent angle, etc. Before starting the new constructions, we shall revise the basic constructions. Revision of basic constructions. We start our revision with the construction of a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Let us take one example. Draw segment AB of length 7 cm. Draw perpendicular bisector of segment AB. We shall now proceed step by step and construct a perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Step 1. With the help of a ruler, draw a line segment AB of length 7 cm. Step 2. Place the metallic end of the compass on point A and with radius more than half of the length AB, draw arcs on both the sides of segment AB. Step 3. Now, place the compass on point B. Without changing the radius, draw two more arcs on both the sides of segment AB, intersecting the previously drawn arcs. Name the points of intersection as P and Q. Step 4. Join points P and Q. Line PQ intersects segment AB in point M. Here, the points P and Q are equidistant from points A and B. Therefore, by perpendicular bisector theorem, line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Angle and angle bisector. Now, we shall construct an angle and draw its angle bisector. Draw an angle, say angle ABC of measure 70 degree. Bisect angle ABC. Step 1. First, to draw the angle of 70 degree, we shall draw ray BC. Step 2. With the help of a protractor, draw ray BA such that angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Step 3. Now, place the point of compass on point B and with suitable radius, draw the arcs intersecting ray BA and ray BC. Name the points of intersection as X and Y respectively. Step 4. Taking point X as the center and with a suitable radius, draw an arc in the interior of angle ABC. Now, take point Y as the center. Without changing the radius, draw an arc to cut the previous arc in point N. Step 5. Join points B and N to get ray BN. Ray BN is the required angle bisector of angle ABC. In the next construction, we shall draw a line perpendicular to a given line through a point on the line. So, a line PQ is given. M is any point on line PQ. We have to draw a line perpendicular to line PQ through the point M. In step 1, we shall draw line PQ and take point M on it. the center and with a suitable radius, draw arcs on either side of point M intersecting the line PQ in points A and B respectively. Step 3. Now increase the radius. Note that the radius should be more than half of length of AB. Now taking point A as the center, draw an arc on one side of line PQ. Taking point B as the center and without changing the radius, draw another arc to cut the first arc in point D. Step 4. Join points D and M to get line DM. Line DM is the required line perpendicular to line PQ. Let us see how to draw a perpendicular line to a given line from the point outside the line. Here is the example. Draw a line XY. Take point P outside the line. Draw PN perpendicular to line XY. We shall start doing the construction. Step 1. Draw line XY and take a point P outside the line. Step 2. Place the compass on point P and with a suitable radius, draw arcs intersecting the line XY in 2 points. Name these points as A and B. Step 3. Now, place the compass on point A and draw an arc on the other side of the line XY, that is, the side not containing point B. Taking point B as the center and with the same radius, draw another arc to cut the first arc in point M. Step 4. Join points P and M. Line PM intersects the line XY in point N. Here, line PN is perpendicular to line XY. Next, we will recall the method of constructing an angle congruent to the given angle. So, we have to construct angle PQR congruent to angle LMN. Step 1. First, draw ray QR. Step 2. Place the compass on the vertex of angle LMN, that is, on point M. Draw an arc intersecting the ray ML and ray MN in points U and V respectively. Step 3. Place the compass on point Q and draw an arc with the same radius. Name the point of intersection of ray QR and the arc as point X. Step 4. Now place the metallic point of compass on point V and pencil point of compass on point U. Taking UV as the radius and X as the center, draw an arc to intersect the first arc in point Y. Step 5. Draw ray QY. Take any point P on the ray QY. Thus, we constructed angle PQR, which is congruent to given angle LMN. Do you remember the construction of a line parallel to a given line through a given point? We can construct a parallel line to a given line by 2 methods. In one method, we can make use of the property of alternate angles. And in the other method, we use the property that two lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other. So here, we will construct line PQ parallel to line AB through point P. We shall study the first method, which is based on alternate angles property. Step 1. Draw line AB and take point P outside the line AB. Step 2. Draw a line BB passing through the point P. Step 3. Now construct angle BPQ at point P such that angle BPQ is congruent to angle BBA. Step 4. Draw line PQ containing ray PQ. By alternate angle test of parallel lines, line PQ is parallel to line AB. In the second method, we will use the property of perpendicular lines. So step 1 will be to draw line AB and take point P outside it. Step 2. Draw line PN perpendicular to line AB. Step 3. Draw line PQ perpendicular to line PN. Since line AB and line PQ are perpendicular to line PN, line PQ is parallel to line AB. It's time for activity now. We have to divide a line segment in the given ratio. Let us see the example. Draw segment PQ of length 6 cm. Divided in the ratio 2:3. Try to recall the steps of construction for dividing the line segment in given number of parts. So, step 1. Draw segment PQ of length 6 cm. Step 2. Draw a ray PX other than segment PQ. Step 3. Take suitable radius in the compass, place it on point P and locate points P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 on ray PX. In such a way that PP1 is equal to P1, P2 is equal to P2, P3 and so on. Step 4. Join Qp5. Since we want to divide the segment in the ratio 2:3, we will draw a line parallel to Qp5 through point P2. Now, we shall justify our construction. P2R is parallel to Qp5. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, PP2 upon P2 P5 is equal to PR upon RQ. By construction, PP2 upon P2 P5 is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, PR upon RQ is equal to 2 upon 3. Thus, point R divides segment PQ in the ratio 2:3. Remember, to divide the segment in the ratio m::n, we have to take m plus n points.